a whole new background. We have all of our other toys that we will review in the future. We have all these other toys. But today, Zachary, what are we doing?
We do all of the toys.
No, we're doing Jack Jack. You love Jack Jack. Yes. So this is Jack Jack. Really, really cool. And if you haven't seen him before, he's from The Incredibles 2.
Look at him.
He makes sounds and everything.
It turned yellow.
He's turning yellow.
I'm blue too.
He's a baby and he comes with a raccoon too. So if you haven't seen The Incredibles 2, this is their baby. Here's the side and here's the back. He does lights and sounds. If you press his tummy, then he'll like turn red and stuff. Exactly. Do you also know what else he can do? What?
You like shake that raccoon.
Yeah, you can like shake the raccoon and stuff. Because in the movie he was fighting a raccoon. So, are you ready to open this up?
Yeah!
Yeah! Okay, so let's open this up. Yeah, we have all these other toys. They're really, really cool. Here's one of our favorites.
And my favorite
Okay.
toy is
So we're gonna start opening this.
that.
Be very careful, children. No. Alright, so we're just gonna open this up. This might take a while, but we're gonna open this up. You gotta keep the You gotta keep the packaging nice and good. If you press his tummy, turn different colors. He's getting mad. He's getting mad. He's getting mad. We gotta get him out of this box before he gets mad. Ooh, let's take him out. Ooh, so here's the real deal. He looks so cool. Oh my gosh. And look at his little hair at the top of his head.
And the raccoon.
Yeah, there's the raccoon too. Alright, let's take him out of the package, okay? Okay, so we just took it out of the box. He looks really, really cute and so cool. Like his little head. Alright, so. Oh gosh. Here. So this is the raccoon. He's really, really cool. His head can move. Oh gosh, he's getting mad! He has an actual fluffy tail.
Shoot it!
Woo! Here, I think the baby is still, Jack Jack is still on Try Me mode. So on the back, there's an on and off switch. This is off, I think. Yep. Oh wait, no it's not. I guess this is off. Oh, so there's different modes. Okay, so that was the Try Me mode. This is the play mode, so it has like all the features and it works by itself. This is Jack Jack. He's so cute. Look at Jack Jack, and he has his little suit, and he has his little outfit, and he's so cute. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh no. Ah! So oh no, the raccoon. So as you can see,
Turn yellow.
here I think he's still on. Did you just fart?
Yeah. He farted.
Okay. I think both modes are okay, but the play mode is a bit better. Alright, so he can do a bunch of different stuff. There is a bunch of different lights and sounds he can do. It doesn't say how much light and sounds he can do. But I think piercing laser eyes, his head can turn red if he's mad, he has electric sparks, and if his whole head turns blue, that means he's teleporting. He can have battles with the raccoon. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Ooh! Is that glare I see? Oh no, it's just hair. Ooh! He's really flexible. Like, you can move his arms like that. He can, yep, he can stand up like that. He can stand up all by himself. If you press his tummy, he has different thingies. So if you press his tummy and his head turns red, that means he's mad! If his head turns yellow, that means it's like electric. And his eyes will also light up blue if it's like laser eyes. I don't know when his eyes will light
I think
up.
it's yellow. He's happy.
No, yellow is electric.
Oh,
electric
okay.
sparks. And then if his whole head turns blue, that means he's gonna teleport.
Teleporting.
If his eyes turn blue, then that means he has laser eyes. Ah. Zachary, can you show your scared face? And he has the raccoon. I think he can also grab onto the raccoon. Yup, he can grab onto the raccoon too. Ha 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 ha, you think you can defeat me? Well, yeah. Oh my gosh, his head turned pink. What does the pink mean?
Oh, there's the blue eyes.
Yeah, there was the blue eyes and his head was like turning pink and yellow.
Okay,
I don't know in the world that meant. Let's see if we can get him to teleport. Come on, teleport for us, Jack Jack. Oh no, 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 no! He just farted. Okay, if his head lights up, as you can see, you can see his like veins, as if like he had like if he has like a brain. Here, let's see if we can make his head light up again. See, like, look at the right, look at the right. You can see like veins in his head.
It's hard to see.
Yeah, on the back of his head you can see him too. His head is turning like pink and yellow, and it's not even red, it's just pink. He's so cool, he's flexible. I'm sure you can even hug the raccoon if you wanted to. There we go. Aww. Yeah, whoa! Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and